5. Case navigation. All cases assigned to an operator can be viewed on the home page at My Cases. In this view, that is particular to each operator, you will find the cases that were assigned according to the initial classification made by the customer at the time of filling up the web forms. In this view, the operator can see a case edit or refer it to another operator because it requires another type of action or needs revision of a comment made. To work in the cases, we must go to the Edit view. The case is structured as follows. The form first shows the date of the client who registered the application, and from here, you can review the case history. Also, whether the client has other cases and what he has done, or if he has created other cases. You can also edit some of the customer information. Then, in the tab Typing, you can check more data regarding the request, such as the way the contact was made, through which the derived area entered the type of requirement, if there is a weight, workload associated to it, the description of the request, the date and time of receipt, and the date in which the classification was made. In case a new date was needed, this must be done only by the user with an administrator profile, and it should be registered in here. Then it is typified according to the different decision trees set up and which we described in a previous video. In this case, the configuration indicated that this application has a time frame of 6 hours to be answered by the customer. And here you can register requests to external areas, for example, human resources. And in that case, this area will be responsible for attaching documents and describing and saving details of what is needed. You will be able to register everything and save it. The application will be referred to the person and area you selected. When editing, you can check if this person or area to which you referred the case answered you, and then you can check on if everything complies with what you need. Once it is completed according to what you need, you must mark it as locked up. You may not be able to solve the case if there are actions still in an open state. At any time, you can register a comment. For example, if you want to leave a follow-up comment, and here you can write what you want or can attach files for evidence. The date and the author of the comment will be recorded automatically in the history. The system saves every single action that you make, together with the date, time, and author. You can attach the documents that are necessary and which justify the analysis made. From here, you can also derive the request to another operator. When doing this, the case is saved, and this case disappears from the home of the operator and is available at the home of the operator to whom it was assigned. You can also solve a ticket if it is out of time, but you must justify why it was attended after the deadline. When the case is solved, the client will receive a notice or an email will be sent to him indicating that the case is already resolved, and you can review this at the web.